Hello, my name is Frederick, and I work with Ticker, the wristwatch that counts down your life. I would like to talk to you about the day you are going to die. Death. Some say everything just goes black, like switching off a light. Others say it's actually quite pretty. Now, imagine someone told you that you only had 1 year left to live. How would that change your life? For all of us, life comes with a best before date, and one day we'll find ourselves at the end of the line. Gee, you're thinking this is a really depressing video. But wait, there's good news too. While death is non-negotiable, life isn't. The good news is that life is what you make of it, and oh boy, can it be beautiful. All we have to do is learn how to cherish the time and the life that we have been given, to honor it, suck the marrow from it, seize the day, and follow our hearts. And the best way to do this is to realize that seconds, days, and years are passing never to come again, and to make the right choices. Anger or forgiveness? Tick-tock. Wearing a frown or a smile? Tick-tock. Happy or upset? Tick-tock. That's why we've created Ticker, the death watch that counts down your life, just so you can make every second count. Ticker is a wristwatch that counts down your life from years to seconds and motivates you to make the right choices. Ticker will be there to remind you to make the most of your life and, most importantly, to be happy. Imagine someone told you that you only had X years to live. What would you do?
I would continue to live my life just the way I do. We are not promised tomorrow, so there's nothing to change.
I would forgive myself, my self-judgments, and pursue at least 3 things I have always feared. One of those things would be parachuting.
I'd make a point to tell my children how much I love them for their own personalities and talents. I'd try to impart the life lessons I want them to learn, but most of all, I'd just live in the moment with my loved ones.
Visit every country and tackle one challenge that each country has to offer, such as Mount Everest, ski the Alps.
Instead of years, I would count by moments and live each one to the fullest.
But it's not really about how much time you have. It's about what you do with it. A week spent in love and happiness can be worth more than years spent in agony. So have the time of your life with Ticker, the death watch that makes every second count. Wearing a Ticker is a statement to the world that your biggest priority in life is living. Please help us help you do that and support us on Kickstarter. Oh, and Ticker also tells you the time.